This 0.17-acre wooded lot in the Lake Crest Subdivision of Wagoner County, Oklahoma, is perfect for nature lovers. It's an ideal spot for fishing trips, outdoor adventures, and enjoying the peaceful wildlife. Mobile homes, stick-built homes, and manufactured homes are all welcome here, giving you plenty of flexibility to create your perfect retreat. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cozy permanent home, you'll love the quiet surroundings and natural beauty. Plus, you'll be just a short drive away from nearby lakes and recreational areas. Don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Wagoner County, Oklahoma. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.